Hey guys, welcome back to Orm and Nay. Got a special episode today. I was pretty buried in. I had to dig myself out because the door of the shed is facing to the north. The big drift's blocking my door from being able to open that. So I finally got my door open. And I'm gonna go outside and see what it's like and give you guys a quick look at what I'm putting up with out here. And just got to dig myself out of this fence. All right, so the first thing I do is I unclip these two tarps. I got them all rolled up real nicely. Makes a nice door. I come out here, I got this other big rubber curtain hanging. And this is the shed part. So what I'm doing, I'll seal this back up. Keep the heat in while I'm gone. That's all sealed back up. That's all. I need to address that a little bit. So here's the other half of the shed, and I've got this up and over and covering those slats that I put in. And so here's the other half of the shed. Here's how I've got this all blocked in and bundled up. So I got a piece of styrofoam blocking the door. And you can see I've already got some ice I'm dealing with. And I've got some plastic and a little cardboard. And a plastic kit. This is what I dug out the other night. And, we'll see what it looks like here in just a little bit. Welcome to the world. Wow, it's bright out here. Alright, I've got some pretty deep snow we're talking about here. Like this, that gate opens towards me. So my job right now is to dig that out so I can get out. I've got all this dug out where I can get through it. A part of the stairs, I don't want to take it down too much further. There's ice underneath of it. But look at these drifts back here. So this is what I had to break out of. This is what was trapping me. Oh, this whole pile of snow here. Look how deep it is. So I was slowly shoveling my way around out of here, and I'm almost to the trash can. I'm almost there. All right, we are officially done. Here's a walkthrough of my completed work. Big mountain of snow. Carved out another big mountain of snow. I carved out this valley all the way back around through here. It's pretty deep. Get the trash cans out. And the doggies barking at me. What's up, buddy? Lots of deep snow. All the way through. All the way around. All the way around back here. Had to dig this out. I was trapped in behind this door. Had to dig all this out. Dig my mom's porch out. Dig that out. Had to dig this doorway out so I could open it all the way. But going back inside of my stinky little shed. Y'all have a good one.